As you guys can see, we have a background video running in the back. Hey guys, Devil here, back again with another video. In this video, we will be seeing how to add a virtual video background to live camera footage and display it over a virtual camera using Python. Using this method, we can add a virtual video background to any Zoom meeting or Google Meet or any other platform which uses camera. Okay, so the requirements of today's project would be OpenCV library in Python, MediaPipe and CVZone packages, and for these are for editing the camera footages which we'll be receiving using our webcam, and for displaying it over a virtual camera we are going to need a library named PyVirtual cam, which is available on pip, so you can get it from there. It is made for Python only. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's see it's working. Okay, so as you guys can see, first we will be running the code here which I am having in my Visual Studio Code. This is the file name, fake video maker. I will explain the code later on, but before that, now let's run the code and test how does it works. So we are going to run it, and here in the Chrome browser I am going to open a webcam test. It's actually a website where we can test our webcam. So here I will be selecting my OBS virtual camera. I need to note, please note that for its working you need to install OBS Studio, because using that studio only it creates a virtual camera, so make sure you have it before. Okay, so now we have selected our OBS virtual cam and we are starting test my cam. We are clicking over that, and as you guys can see, we have a background video running in the back, and it's my video. We can actually edit this video and we can get more accuracy. As you guys can see, it's little bit flickering, so that all can be adjusted. It's just the demo for the moment, and that's it. We can also add any video. It's not that only this video will work. I will show you at the end using another video which is a matrix video. So in that, wait for that, and now let's see the code. Okay, so I'm closing this. So now let's dive into the code. Here we have the code. The very first we are importing OpenCV library, which is named by CV2, and then we are importing CVZone package just for our comfortability and not to write long codes. It is going to help us there. And these are the selfie segmentation module. Using this module only we are going to edit our video. I mean, we are going to remove the background, and CVZone uses the media pipe, so we don't need to import it uh, by our own. It's automatically imported by CVZone. We are going to need OS module for manipulation of files, which we are going to use PyVirtual cam for virtual camera, and this is requirements of PyVirtual cam which we are going to import, which is named as pixel format. So first of all, we are going to specify our camera, which is a 0 ID using OpenCV, and we are going to take the live camera footage using this, and then we are going to set its size and length and width using pixels 640 into 480, and make sure that the length of the size of your webcam video should be equal to that of your images. Otherwise it won't work. If it won't be equal, it won't work. Okay, so here we are making the object of selfie segmentation class, and then this FPS reader is for getting the FPS of the video, but we won't use it. That I was using just for the testing purpose, that how much FPS do we get. It can give up to 40 to 50 FPS. Okay, so that's it. And here we are specifying the directory where our images are. So let me show you the images. It's here, landscape. There's a folder in which I am having all the images. Now you must be thinking from where to get these images. So I have a trick for that. You can check this out. I will give a link in the description here. So this is a website from where you can download the abstract videos. As you guys can see how the abstract video looks like, it's something like that. It's playing over there, and to convert it into images, there's an online converter named onlineconverter.com. Simply upload your mp4 file, and you will get a zip file consisting of each and every frame of your video. In that way you are going to get all the frames of the video. and that which we'll be using in the Python code. Okay, so actually I have two video frames. One is of the landscape which you saw right now, and the other one is of matrix. So it's like that. So make sure before using them in this code, you first resize them using this code. I will also link this code in the description. Using this code, you can resize all the images into 640 into 480p. Okay, because images should must be of that the same size. Okay, now so now let's come down the code. So here we are going specifying the folder name, which is the landscape. For now I am changing it to matrix. Okay, and just a second. Similarly here also we are specifying the folder name, and we are going to change it over matrix. Okay, and here what the code is doing is, this OS module is going to find all the names of the file which are in this folder, that and that files are the images, and that will be in the form of list or an array in this image list, which is the variable, and we are going to extract each image from there, and we are going to append it into the image list. Okay, and this is the index of the image. Okay, so index of the image will be helpful while capturing each and every frame. When we are going to display a background video, at that time this would be helpful for us. Okay, because with this index only we are going to take each and every images from the image list. Okay, so we will see that later. This was before I used it for the testing purpose. We don't need it, it's not required. And here we are going to get the width, height and fps. So these are basically requirements of pi virtual cam. You can get that in the in its documentation. Okay, and to install it, you simply write pip install pi virtual cam, and that will be installed if you have Python and pip installed on your system before, only then. Okay, so from here we are going to read each and every frames from the video, and then we are going to this line is going to remove the background and add the image. So as you guys can see, this particular statement gives the path of the images. So it's telling that it's in the list, and in the list we are giving it the index of the list as index img. Okay, and this line is going to send it to our virtual camera, which will be created using pi virtual cam. You don't need to do anything. And basically these two if and else conditions, these both conditions are basically checking that the index should increase one by one, because we need to show each and every frames so that it look like a video. And if the index is just means less than the total number of files present, then it will start the index from again 0, which basically means it is going to loop the video again and again. It is going to play the video. Okay, it won't play just one time and it won't stop, it will continuously replaying the video. And this is the function which comes with this pi virtual cam, which basically sleeps until we get the next frame. So that's it for the code, and no more explanation. So now let's see how does it works with the matrix. So we are going to save it with the previous running program, rerun the program and see how does it works. Okay, so the program is running, and we are coming to our online testing webcam test, and it's opening. So it is detecting our media devices, and here we will be selecting our OBS virtual cam, and we are going to run the test. So as you guys can see, we are getting a matrix video on the background, and obviously you can edit your video as you want. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Okay, please subscribe the channel. I just okay, so thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.